when it comes to the digital media, it breaks all the time barriers. People believe whatever content you publish on the media, it has no time barrier, because even when you send me some article and I know it is from the right person, authenticity, you got it. You post something. There are a lot of students who post a lot of YouTube videos. They share so many things and they say, ma'am, please watch, do like, do subscribe and all that. So I look at what this person has already given me, authenticity. Should I watch this immediately or should I watch it a little later? Okay, but I make sure I watch. And there is recently I met these people called eccentric அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு group. All that they do is they just observe their life around them. அதுல ஏதாவது inspire ஆச்சுன்னா they started making videos on that. அப்படி வந்துட்டு they ஒரு idea that struck them is people drink tea at different shops. Okay, you have 10 rupees tea to 400 rupees tea. Come on, let us do a brainstorming on that. Let's do a research on that. And the next level, what they did is they went to a petty shop, took one tea wala from that shop. Okay, ஒரு பெட்டி கடைக்கு போயிட்டு அங்க இருக்கிற டீ விக்கிறவரை கூட்டிட்டு அவரை வந்துட்டு ஒரு 7-star ஹோட்டலுக்கு கூட்டிட்டு போய் ஓகே they served him tea there. Okay, அப்போ வந்து ரொம்ப it was very very interesting. I'll also share that video with you. In the particular tea wala whom they took with them, one has got ஒரு செம charming personality. Okay, you will fall in love with him. You will like that guy. Okay, so this is other people's money. ஒன்று நீங்கள் உங்களுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற திறமையை நீங்கள் தனியாக வந்துட்டு you will have to showcase it. இல்லைன்னா எது மற்றவங்க கிட்ட நீங்கள் பார்க்குற திறமை அதை எப்படி வந்து you can take it to the digital platform to communicate something. Okay, that is the third point. Okay, and the fourth point is social media, messaging, texting, laptops, tablets, mobile phones. இது எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு believe me, I am only looking at the positive side of digital communication. They say yes, of course, you start communicating to the non-living thing, mobile phone, and you lose communication, complete communication is cut with the outer world. But let me tell you, my father, he's 80 plus, okay, and he was like, he said WhatsApp itself was too much for him. He said, you know, ஐயோ எனக்கு WhatsApp la use பண்ண தெரியாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. But he was introduced to WhatsApp. All that it is required is a little bit of patience. You know, you just tell him how to go into it. It's as simple as that. நான் சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் every day I received so much of videos from him, so much of messages, motivational messages from him, and he was a regular reader of the newspaper. And you know what he used to do? He used to cut few columns from the newspaper and preserve it, and every time I visit him, he will give me those you know, cuttings and all that, and he will say, "In நல்ல ஆர்டிகல் படிச்சேமா, இது பாரு" அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு he used to give it to me. But இப்போ அவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க அப்படினா வந்துட்டு it's I'm not telling you print because I read my newspaper on a daily basis. There is no substitute to reading on a paper. But what I'm telling you is his loneliness is now taken care of. He no longer feels lonely. When people, you know, send him likes, all those emojis and all that, you know, this clapping and all this, all that he says is, even if I don't talk to him, he tells me, I was so happy you responded to my message. And that is the power of the digital platform. That's wonderful. Okay, we've seen 4 advantages that you have when you are communicating on a digital platform. This is also a motivation to decide what platform is suitable for you. Do you want to go be a blogger, you want to be a YouTuber, or you want to text on the WhatsApp, tweet, Facebook? Which is the platform that you are going to choose to showcase your talent is for you to decide. Again, we continue with the advantages of communicating on a digital platform. The next point that we would like to see is that, you know, it's again a complaint that people make, but I'm not going to make it as a complaint. People say you always keep texting all the time and your actual communication is lost. But people, texting and writing something was a dead art. Okay, reading was a dead art. Okay, people didn't like to read, or even now you tell people they have to read, you know, they find it very difficult to read. So if people are typing something, it's good, but don't do it in Tanglish. தமிழும் இல்லாமல் இங்கிலீஷும் இல்லாமல் ட்ரை டைப்பிங். பீப்புள் who want to improve your language skills, try typing something, on the mobile, that is again a part of writing skill. That's how I look at it. Okay, so that you can continue doing. So I look at that as an advantage only. Now the next point under communicating on the digital platform is what belongs to the elite class. Okay, what belong to the elite class, like movie making and all that. My son uses software, okay, to edit the movies. You also have these apps in your mobile itself through which you could edit videos and all that. இது வந்துட்டு you can only see a hero or heroine becoming, really showcasing their beauty or their talents on this big screen. It's no longer the case. Okay, if you feel you've got the idea, you've got the skill, you're daring enough to face the camera, you have strong conviction, positive ideas to influence the society, so it's become everybody's platform to showcase, whatever skills or talents that you have. So I just want you to be introduced to these platforms. If you are already aware of it, beautiful. This platform called Swayam. Okay, we know the meaning of Swayam. It means self. Okay, so it's a Hindi acronym that stands for, study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds. Okay, so idhula neenga illa appadina just try this out today. Okay, it's an Indian massive online opening course. It's a MOOC course. Okay, MOOC oda full form kuduthirken, so I am oda full form kuduthirken, which is like, it's important that we know. Study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds, and a massive online open online course. Okay, so in the platform use panni you can bring world class. The other day the webinar that we saw, he was from New York, I believe. Okay, so எங்கேயோ ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்துட்டு அவங்க வந்து நமக்கு வந்துட்டு they give us so much of knowledge, the empowerment that they give us. இது வந்துட்டு certification courses that you can do through these international platforms. Swayam அங்கிறது நம்மளோட own platform where you have all the renowned professors, okay, bringing in their courses. So you can go take up these courses, you can get certificate courses. Cambridge University, Oxford University la irukra certificates namakku வாங்கலாம் through these platforms. This is again a digital communication tool, a very effective tool. And another very, very interesting thing, I think with this, I think I would have motivated you enough to use this digital platform. All that you have to do after all these motivations is that just identify your genre. What genre do you like? Okay, identify the type of writing that you are good at. Are you a narrative writer? Are you an expository writer? Are you a descriptive writer? Okay, are you a persuasive writer? What kind of a writer are you? What is that you wish to change in the society?